Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make sugar cookie roses. So let's get started. First I'm going to grease my board and then take a bit of sugar cookie dough and then just place it down on your board. Like that, and then just roll it flat. Pinch with your fingers and then round this out. Pinch it down, round it out. Pinch. Like that, and then just start rolling. And then cut it in the center. Now just flatten out the outside edge. Like that, and if you want you can make a little indentation in the center. And then in the center either drop one of these little silver decorating balls or a little drop of jam. Like that, and you can either leave them plain or you can take some colored sugar and just sprinkle that on top. Then just bake as usual until they are lightly brown. And there you go. That's how you can make some sugar cookie rose. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.